Good day, students. We are going to visit the 9626 paper, May June 2019. So this is the mail merge part. As you can see here, the instruction is for inquiry RTF file. Uh, this is to mail merge to the suppliers. The contact details are available in medisuppliers.rtf, and we have to replace the prompts to complete the letter representing details of the current stock lists, as indicated to us. In the question paper. Use a conditional field to complete the salutation, which must have the title and full contact of the doctor, sir or madam. That is the salutation, or just the contact phone name. And use a conditional field for the closure. Either must be yours faithfully or yours sincerely. So we go to the evidence folder and we look what do we have over here. And within the evidence folder, we see that we have the complete supplier table that is ready from the previous task, and then we go to the inquiry RTF file and we look at the master file. This is the master file where the source will be linked. So these fields are there where we have to make the connection, or where we are supposed to merge. So let's read the code. Supplier code is there, supplier is there, address is there, contact tile is there. So title is contact title is there, and you can see that we have the forename and the surname both over here. So it's up to you whether you use concatenation or you can use